Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day. We've been waiting probably since about September for our first real upgrade to the Jeep Gladiator to come in the mail. We're going to be installing the LOD Destroyer series front bumper. It's the shorty bumper, and it's going to accommodate our 1,200-pound winch. That's our Badlands winch. I don't know if it fits the winch. It didn't really say on the website whether the specs allowed for that kind of winch. It said most winches will fit it, so hopefully that goes as planned. But yeah, should be fun, should be a really cool little project, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes okay. We're going to film opening up all the boxes and seeing if everything's where it's supposed to be, everything that we ordered. Yeah, so looking forward to getting this thing on the Jeep.
All right, got the box open. Here's our hardware. Bolts, nuts. Not sure what that is for, maybe for the fog lights. Let's see here. This is front bumper license plate. License plate mount. Okay. Hardware for the mount. License plate mount. This is the fair lead mount. In here somewhere. There's our fair lead mount. I imagine there's hardware somewhere for that. Not in this box though. And auxiliary light mount. This was optional. Decided to go with it. Maybe I'll get a 10-inch. It's supposed to accommodate a 10-inch auxiliary light bar. Haven't purchased one yet, but we'll shop around. There it is. Auxiliary light bar. All right. I don't think much else except for the bumper. So let's see if I can get this thing out. All right, here is our winch that we're going to be putting on. I'm going to need to get the fair lead out so I can attach that to my fair lead mount and get this thing put on the bumper before I get the skid plate attached, because otherwise I won't be able to get to the bolts for this thing. So let's get this thing opened up. Got some stickers. Hopefully I don't stab myself. All right, tow hook. All right, looks like that's our remote. Some wiring. And here's what we're looking for. Our Badlands fair lead. And of course, there's our winch. And there's our leads to our battery. Oh, look, it comes with some sort of a plate here. Huh. Okay. Guess it comes with a little bit of some sort of a fair lead mount. Won't need that probably. All right. There's our hardware that we need, so I can attach things. All right, let's get this taken care of.
So we are about to try and mount this winch. I've gone ahead and taped the locations of the holes on the base of the winch. That way when we're lining it up, it will be a little bit easier. Also, we have these little square nuts that go in the bottoms of these pegs. I guess they're supposed to line up with the hole there. Not doing a very good job. Maybe I gotta back them out a little bit, but we'll see if we can get them lined up as best we can. Also, need to hook up this cable, I believe, to this peg right here. And I believe I have to probably maybe bend it a little bit just so it doesn't kink very well. So we'll get all that taken care of and then see if we can get it mounted.